Hey guys, welcome back. Today school ki vachanu. Today 11 parade undi. So all kids will join the parade and just like few minutes, like you see, the parents are already here. So the kids will come here and do the parade, and then we'll see. So it starts at 9:30. So let us see. చూడండి guys, వస్తున్నారు అందరూ. వాళ్ళ క్లాస్ టీచర్ with their kids. So they are wearing different costumes today, Halloween costumes. So they are looking very cute, and almost every teacher has like around 17 to 15 kids.